Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can recover a closed or lost chess.com account. So let's get right into it. Now, if you forgot your password, that is a very easy fix to do. You just click on log in, and if you can't remember your password, you just click forgot password and go through the entire process to recover it. You'll receive a recovery email, which holds a link to reset your password, and that's pretty much what you need to do if you've lost your password. However, if you've lost your entire account, or if it's been closed, or if it's been closed by you or by chess.com, it doesn't matter. You will need to contact their support. Now, the chances are higher for them to reinstate your account if you've closed it yourself. Rather, they will reinstate your account pretty much most of the time because it wasn't a ban, it wasn't a rule break or something like that. You'll simply have to ask them to reinstate your account, and they most likely will, since account, as far as I know, accounts are not deleted. The data is kept somewhere safe and hidden, and they are not completely erased. So you can just go to the main page without being logged in, click on help, go to messages or ask support, then click here ask support or contact support. Just click that, you'll be met with a bot, and then from there on, you'll explain the situation that you need, and then that bot will redirect you to somebody who is actually live in support, and that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.